What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. And in this review, we have another keyboard case, but this one is for the Mac Mini. If you have a Mac Mini 7 or a 6, then this one will work for you. Let's go ahead and get into it. Open the box. First thing that comes out is the user's manual. Look at that, you guys. Oh man, this is so cool. This is so cool. I wish I had this before I dropped my actual iPad, you guys. I still haven't fixed it. When I dropped my iPad, I forgot what review it was, but when I moved the box, my iPad dropped right on its face. And unfortunately, I didn't have a case. So I'm always looking at cases nowadays, you guys. Always look at cases. Don't underestimate you dropping your phone or iPad. We have a charger. Of course, you have to charge your keyboard whenever it dies. And this is USB to USB type C right there. So there we go right there. This is awesome. All right. It says magnetic. Let's see. Oh, sticks right on magnetically, you guys. This is awesome. Oh man, you gotta love that. Can we do that one more time? Let's do it one more time, you guys. Just okay. So you do have your 90 degrees, and you can tilt this. When you tilt it, it goes all the way to 130 degrees. So protector cover right here. We're gonna take that off. So you have an on and off right here. We're gonna turn it on. Once you turn it on, it's blinking in Bluetooth mode. Wireless keyboard. All right, I'm gonna hit wireless keyboard, and now it says connected. Let's see. Nice and easy, you guys. It's connected nice and easy. I love having this for my Mac Mini. You can do your typing. Nice and easy, okay? So everything is good, right? So this is definitely good, you guys, especially for me because I use my iPad a lot. One cool thing about this keyboard is you can actually change your color into whatever your favorite color is. So in order to do that, you have to hold the FN, and then you got to hit plus, and then you can change it to any color that you want to change it to. All right. So they have most of the dominant colors like purple, red, blue, pink, and all of those colors, right? So, and that's about it, you guys, all right? This is definitely good, especially if you use this as your workstation. Maybe you use your iPad for work. However you do it, you can have a little mini Mac. So this is good, you guys, especially if you're a person that goes to like Panera Bread, Starbucks, basically anywhere with Wi-Fi access, right? And you can have your set up your little workstation and all of that good stuff. So that will be it, you guys. If y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, put it in the comment section, and I'll get back to y'all as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll catch y'all in the next product review.